Samsung is secretly working on a transparent phone. And no, this isn't sci-fi anymore. Now here's the crazy part. This idea didn't just appear overnight. Samsung has been filing patents for this since 2017, again in 2018, and even recently. So yeah, we don't know when it's coming. We don't even know if it's coming. But one thing is clear, this is being worked on. And if you've watched any futuristic movie, you've probably seen this before. Transparent screens, transparent phones. It's basically the definition of future tech. But now, it's starting to become real. In fact, companies like Xiaomi already launched a transparent TV, a real product. You can actually buy it. It shows a full OLED image, and when it turns off, it just disappears into glass. Sounds insane, right? But here's the truth. Transparent TVs are actually kind of useless. Think about it. Your TV sits in one place. You're not walking around it. You're not using the transparency. Most of the time, it just shows your wall. So that brings us to the real question. What about a transparent smartphone? And this is where things get interesting. The idea is simple. A transparent display with transparent components behind it, and anything that can't be transparent, stuff it into the bezels. Now, it sounds impossible, but we already have transparent circuits, cables, even early-stage transparent batteries. So yes, this is actually possible. But why would you even want this? Sure, it looks cool. But there's more to it. For example, you could see your surroundings through your phone, meaning better awareness while walking. And Samsung's patents suggest something even crazier, a display you can use from both sides. Imagine controlling content from the front and the back, almost like interacting with real objects in 3D space. But the biggest advantage? Augmented reality. Right now, AR feels fake because you're looking at a camera feed on a screen. But with a transparent phone, you're not looking at a camera. You're looking directly at the real world with digital objects layered on top. That's next level immersion. But here's the twist. Transparent phones might never actually take off because there's a bigger trend happening: mixed reality. People want to stay connected, but also fully immersed. And the device that solves both? It's not a phone. It's AR glasses. Instead of holding a transparent screen, you just wear it. Everything becomes your display. So yeah, Samsung might build a transparent phone, but by the time it's ready, we might already be living in a world that doesn't need one.